This hair is giving everything that I thought it had the potential to give.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face. There's my face, there's my face.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisha Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. Today I have another collaboration with CURLSQUEEN for you guys. As you can see, I'm rocking their yaki ombre colored hair in the length 22, I believe, or 20, it's one of them. I'm loving this hair. If you can't tell in the moment, I'm feeling myself. You guys to feel the same way that I do in this hair color. It's just giving... it's giving Beyonce without giving Beyonce, you know? So, if you want to see how I was able to achieve this hair, just be sure to stay tuned and keep on watching.
Caterpillar, ride, for the lift it up. spend. Tell me when I beat me to pull up, you gon' shoot out while I spin.
In my country, they have soul fish. I can go for the hours like touch a fish. Sushi, maki, living like London City, left the town. I can try to see that man.
Yeah, you know that. And when they free, it's all gon' be a film. A Kodak. Shoot me pouring right above the rim. Like Kodak. I've been dripping and running, I slipping, I'm sliding, athletic tendencies. I've been up, shipping and whipping it to the base like I'm about to rip it. Open gates up at Utopia. It's place Utopia. You see the crosses over you. That's how you know it's us. No way in my phony up. Not put no shoulder up. Check boys open, clean us up. The way they throw the top. In my white tee. All the hype, millions for the hype, bitch. Take a white before you wipe me. I'm boxes and checks, not my checks, not my.
I be winning for the light beam. Bangers in the system, it's bangers in the system, it's catching anarchy. Bangers in the system, it's bangers in the system, it's
My number one. I won't stop until I see you, sugar. You know who you are. This is for my number one. So many shots wherever I go, I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. Are you there? I can't.
So guys, this is the final result of the Curls Queens light yaki ombre extensions. I was so excited to work with them. I was so excited that they wanted to send me more hair and do this collab. I really love working with this company. They give me top-notch products every single time. The bundles are thick, they don't smell, they have length, honey, they have body when you curl them. I love their new curl roller that you guys saw me take out. It is immaculate. Those curls only sat for about 3 hours, so sure, after that it definitely would have given a little bit more than what it has right now. But for somebody who doesn't really curl their hair normally a lot, I love how it came out. You guys, the texture, it's just beautiful. The color, it really feels like real looking hair. I have a coupon code for you guys. It's going to be on the bottom of the screen as well as down below. If you guys love this hair, give this video a big thumbs up, as well as leave a comment below and tell me what you think, if you're thinking about getting it, if you have any questions, because I will let you know. As always, you guys, stay blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.